Hello. In this video, we are going to talk about the blog of System.io. With System.io, you can create a blog. So I suggested to the support that they implement a sitemap.xml and a RSS feed, so RSS.xml, because at the moment it's not here, and it's a shame because a RSS feed is on all blog systems. There is an option to have RSS feed for syndication. We can use it or not as we want, but it should be here. It should have been here at the start when you create a blog system. Of course, you put RSS and the sitemap also. Sitemap is more for search engines. So when you do a blog, it is to attract organic traffic from search engines to your articles, and then from here you can um, ask for the email of the visitor or just send the visitors to your offers, on your shop or whatever. But this is the point of a blog, is to to publish articles, and then that they can be found by Google. So sitemap is a file, XML file, which lists all your articles, all the pages of your articles, so that a search engine can come and read this sitemap, and it has access to all the URLs of your blog. So it doesn't need to be complicated. The simplest sitemap.xml can be not even, it can be very simple, just listing all the URLs of your article. That's it. There's no, all the options that we can put in a sitemap, they are all optional. There's no need. In fact, it's just a text file, so that you list all the URLs that you would like the search engine to crawl and then to index. But there's no obligation from the search engine to index your pages, or maybe they can find your pages by other ways, by following the links in your site. But a sitemap is just an help from webmasters to the search engine, so that it can facilitate, can be easier. So the sitemap can be controlled by the user of the blog. So for each blog article, you can have an option, add to the sitemap or not. And it could be the same for RSS feed. If you want, you can do an option so that some article will not be in the RSS feed. You can have some option to control the RSS feed. Will the RSS file will contain the full article or just an extract? You can do this, but at least do a simple version of it. And you can even let the user decide to disable the RSS feed or disable the sitemap if you want. So that's what I suggested, and to the support, and then they just told me, okay, thank you for your suggestion. So at least I know that my suggestion has been received by the support. In my message, I said, please pass it on to the boss of System.io, so Aurélien Lamaker. So he will, normally he should at least be aware of this suggestion, and then he can do what he wants with it, but at least he knows. So maybe in the next version of this blog system, there will be a RSS feed and sitemap also. So in System.io, the blog is very simple. It's not a WordPress. It's a real blog system integrated, developed by System.io. So create a blog. You can, here you have only one template, because in fact you just do your own template. It's very simple, but very efficient. Not a lot of things. So the content of the article is the most important piece of content for each page. It's optimized for SEO. That's the point of a blog. It doesn't need to be to have a lot of templates. Me, I'm fine with it. You choose this one. It's simple, with logo, menu, and your article displayed as you wish on the page, and that's it. The blog is good. So you just put the name. So I don't know, I haven't done a blog yet, but if I do, I would like to have a RSS feed and a sitemap also. RSS feed, because then I can use this RSS feed in order to automate publication on, with Zapier and many tools. You can take a RSS feed and then do actions every time there's a new item in this feed, a new article is published, then automatically it will be published on social network or on another one of your blogs if you want. You can have, for instance, you can have a WordPress blog with a plugin which checks RSS feed, so from your System.io blog, and every time you publish a blog article on your System.io blog, then there will be an action done on WordPress. Maybe just take the text of the article and publish it in a second place on your WordPress blog, or maybe just have a simple message like, oh, there is a new article on my other blog, go here, and you just use a link of your article on System.io blog. So there are many uses for RSS feed. It's not like something in the past, nobody used it, blah blah blah. Don't think like that. Don't say it. If you don't use RSS feed, good for you. But there are many uses for RSS feed, so the blog system should have it. That's you know, if Aurélien, I wish that Aurélien see my suggestion and he thinks, oh, next feature I need to add to my blog system is a RSS feed. Even if it's not very useful for most people, they don't understand or what, but it's very important to have it. And for those who want to use it, they find it very surprising that a blog system doesn't have an RSS feed. What is this? What is the point? And also with the sitemap, because when you register your blog to the Google Search Console, they ask you for a sitemap. So you will say, what you will think? Oh, but I don't have a sitemap for my blog. Okay, so let Google try to find all my articles and deal with it. No, it's good to have one. And since it's a blog system proprietary to System.io, you cannot add a plugin in order to add a sitemap. There's no plugin. So it needs to be in the core, in the blog system of System.io. That's it. I will not show you how to create a blog. It's very simple, and it's good that you try it. If you already have System.io, you go in the menu blog and you create your own. Or if not, you can go in the description to have a 30 days free trial of System.io with no credit card asked. So just try it for 30 days. There's not only a blog, of course. System.io is like a sales funnel editor, like a ClickFunnels, but very cheaper. But here you have it for free, and so you can try the blog system, have fun with it, and you will see that I think you will buy an account because it's only $27 per month. And you have so many things that are very useful for business, for all kinds of businesses. So I think we will take it. Bye bye.